Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 27th to the 31st of July. Capricorn, your channel cards are Libra, wedding rings, the Three of Cups, and the World card. So Libra, I'm getting a proposal is coming up. I'm getting a ring, will be shown to you. You're going to see a ring, whatever ring you want to deem of importance, whether this is an engagement ring, a promise to be engaged, or do you promise not to be a hoe? Regardless of what it is, me getting something about a ring. Libra is the sign of partnership, is a sign of contracts, of going into a contracts. I say yesterday I was watching men ask women for prenup. Jesus Christ of King Nazareth. Some of these bitches was so desperate them sign it. Some of these bitches was like, I ain't signing shit. Well, bitch, you ain't getting your wedding. I hope that you don't meet a man who makes you sign a prenup. And he's going to say, you're going to leave me, you're going to leave me. Sir, I can't sign the prenup and you will leave me. And let me tell you something. Any man who asks if to sign a prenup, I'll be honest with you, they're going to fuck on you. So when them cheat on you and telling them have a moment of weakness, sweetie, you're going to leave with nothing. So you want me to sign prenup and you want me to have kids? Brody, I am not God. Like, you ask for too much. So the girl signed the prenup and now she'll have kids for him. Bitch? Really, bitch? Sweetie, I want you to know that Bill Gates never had a prenup. I want you to know that the owner of Amazon, what's his name? Is it Amazon? Jeff Bezos. I'm sorry, not Amazon. Jeff Bezos never had a prenup. You know how much Bill Gates is worth? Here I was thinking he was building a fence. He wasn't even building a gate. You know how much Bill Gates' net worth is? 117.3 billion. But you're a man who came from a single struggling mother or a single struggling father that's decided to lick whatever lottery in life want you to sign prenup. Your man is not worth 117 billion. Bill Gates is. So if you're scared that she take half of everything, you should be more scared about your shitty decision in choosing a wife. Also, why would you sign a prenup with a man and then decide to have babies for him? That makes no fucking sense. Anyways, you're gonna get the ring though. So you might get paperwork with the ring. Me not blood clot sign it. You can. I mean, you know, men will use your insecurities against you. I mean, you're older, you have no kids, never been married. You know, time is running out. That biological clock is ticking. Might as well sign the documents and take the blood clot ring. Me not blood clot do it. And if you're listen to me, I'm a divorcee. And I'm not saying that I am a happy married or a happy divorcee. I am saying I'm a happy individual. I am not telling you what works for your relationship, but bitch, I'm telling you, if you sign that blood clot prenup with that man, I'm going to fuck on you. I guarantee it. Any fucking ways, so you ain't get the ring though. So you rather the ring with a prenup? I would tell any man who wants to sign a prenup with a woman, because you want to have your cake and eat it. You want this place here is a nice giving husband, but behind closed doors you want your wife to say, if my left you not give me nothing. No, I'm not saying that you should stay friends with your ex, but usually that's how you test the temperature of how much somebody care about you. Is when you and them fall out. If you and them can't fall out and them still take care of you, you can take them character into consideration. So you go sign that. So what you want? I would tell a man, if you're making a girl to sign a prenup, don't marry. Don't marry at all. And as a matter of fact, why would you as a rich man get a poor girl or a middle class girl and claim say you love her until she to sign a prenup? Sir, if money was an issue, why you never marry one rich girl? Why you never go marry Daddy Princess? Why you never go look for Paris Hilton and marry she? Would you make Paris Hilton sign a prenup? Because that she would make you sign one. I'm just saying, even if prenup was not on the table, if you're that worried about your money, why you don't date a richer girl? Why you don't date a middle class girl, a poor girl, a girl who never make it in a college, or she drop out of college, or she barely have a college degree scraping around? You choose her, you have so much money you want to marry her, then you tell her to sign a prenup, and she poor. So why you not gonna marry one rich girl? So when she divorced, you should not want nothing from you. if money is what you're concerned about, I would not tell you to get married, because money is what you think about more than when you think about a relationship. You say that wives will come and go, your money will still be here. Don't marry. I would, and this is my honest opinion to any man out there who you're very iffy about your money and marrying a girl. If that bitch dumb enough and insecure enough to sign a prenup, let her sign it. But for all my other chicks in the house who have self-worth and self-love, no make no blood clot man tell her to sign a prenup. And I wouldn't tell a man to make a girl make him sign a prenup either. This is my, how do you know what's good for the viewers? This is my opinion. This is my opinion. Him gonna make a sign a prenup because he's afraid you leave him. Him can leave you. And he can fuck on you and don't leave you. You don't have nothing. And you have kids with him. If he was that concerned about your money, him shouldn't have chose a poor girl. Him not for choose a middle class girl. Tell him for choose one rich girl. Or him not rich. Him rich to you. Him can't compete with the families who, him mother got through poverty, him father got through poverty, him are the first generation for got through wealth, and him a tell you about blood clot prenup. Ask him if his mother did sign prenup. And if him say yes, you need to interview him mother and ask him, mother, how was the marriage? I bet she tell you it was fucking hell. Because that bitch couldn't leave. She couldn't leave. That's what a man use for sign prenup. That's why a man will make a sign a prenup. What am I going to leave? Going to a homeless shelter, start over? Him not gonna give me nothing. Might as well me stay and cry in a Mercedes Benz than me leave him for independence, not getting nothing because him doing me dirty. Hello? Do you think Trump have a prenup? Maybe. We don't know. I'm just saying, if a man is so concerned about your money, he need to date rich. But rich bitches ain't dating you. They have to date richer than you. So we need to just humble ourselves, and you need to know that it doesn't matter how much money you have, especially if you don't have no kids, who you gonna left the money to. So the love of your life that you claim say you want, claimingly, you're gonna marry her, tell her to sign prenup, and then you have no kids. And when you're dead, you know where the money go? It don't go to your wife, it go to the government. Because you're too greedy. Anyways, let's go ahead and go to your reading. We have the World card and the Three of Cups. The Three of Cups can also talk about the choice between two different women. So maybe I date a man and the man thinking about marriage. There's two girls. One of them is not willing to sign a prenup. One is. So if you are abandoned, that is why. And he's going to tell you that business is business, and he's going to tell you that he might tell you all type of things. He might... I don't know why I'm going to tell you as an excuse. Maybe he might tell you that if you don't sign a prenup, you won't get the wedding, or we're not going to get married. Don't get married. Why would you want to marry a man like that? Are you that desperate for love? Are you that desperate for attention? Have you been single and alone for all these years, and the first time a man give you a ring? Women and every blood clot man if you say yes to. It's not every man who give you a ring if you say yes to. And every man who like you for sleep with, that's your job being a woman. You need to know when to reject people. Remember the baby growing up inside you. And you only get one every 9 months. Unless you're lucky. And every man who want date you for date. And every man who want have sex with you must have sex with. And every man who give you one ring if you take. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. So, wedding rings, Libra. He will make you sign a prenup? I don't know. Listen, I'm over that. Anyways, let's go. We have the Two of Pentacles. So we're talking about the two choices. Again, we're getting one of the girls, them is like, I don't love you for your money. Sweetie, I would never, ever take advantage of you. I'll sign that prenup. And the other girl is like, I ain't signing shit. And I'm getting you're going to do what is in the best of your protection. We also have a Star card. Okay, so you might be a woman, you're a celebrity. Me getting something like a man make a sign a prenup. First of all, you're a celebrity. Why the fuck you get married? You're a big celebrity on your way to stardom. Why are you getting, why are you thinking about marriage? Are you a retired celebrity? You finish your career? Can anybody confirm if Megan Thee Stallion boyfriend white? Is it a white man she know it? Oh, he's not white. Never mind. All right, sorry. Continue the reading. So my question, what I was trying to say to you is you're a celebrity. What you get married for? You need to focus on your blood clot work and job. You want to have a relationship, great. You want to meet 1 and 2 times, great. That is not your focus right now. So now you're going to meet a man and the man see your potential and you're going to make a sign one prenup. Now, hopefully things go good in your side where you is a nobody and you marry the man, you make a sign a prenup and you blow up. And you're getting your worth more than him. And because him make you sign a prenup for protect himself, now you're protected. You get to walk with all of the riches and the contracts, him don't get fuck. Now if that's not it, you're getting your celebrity, you're on your way to becoming a star. And now somebody gonna switch it, change your destiny. They're gonna make you marry. Why would they get married? You think about marriage. Yeah, you're stuck. You're going to be stuck. I'm gonna understand of having to me, to have a successful balance in life, you must have love, something creative that you love doing, and something that gives you money. No, you're one big celebrity, you're a tour, you're aspire, you're upcoming celebrity. Where you gonna get married? Where you think about husband for? That is at the end of your career, not before. Me getting you stuck. And me getting if you sign the contract, you're stuck. And you might be like, if me not sign it, the other girl gonna sign it. Make the blood clot girl sign it. Make him go find happiness elsewhere. It not go fucking last. And if it lasts, I bet you 500 million. If that bitch sign the prenup over you, he's going to fuck on her. And she can't left him or she not gonna left him. Duh. Bill Gates a prenup? Hello? One more. The 5 of Pentacles, exactly. And him locking a prenup and him can do anything to you. Him can abuse you. That's the so-called reason for why you take a husband. Because you take a man who will provide for you. Whether you want to provide for yourself or not. That's why half of these bitches in a blood clot marriage. And when them say young, tight breast, stiff see girls like me or you, them stick up them nose. Them can't left them man. That's why it triggers so much man and it triggers women when you're single and you're alone and you're carefree and you're unbothered. No, you're locking at one contract with one man. You're left with nothing. If that man don't want, if you decide to live with the man, him cannot give you nothing. And if you decide to leave him, you're not gonna get nothing. And if him decide to leave you, him keep a talk about you're gonna left him, you're gonna left him, you're gonna left him. Suppose him left you. Him can wake up one day and say, you know what, it's not giving what needs to be gave. So I want a divorce, you get nothing. Oh, and you have kids. So you were so stupid and desperate for a blood clot man who have a little bit of money. Cause you never come from rich parents or you never had the education to make it out of life. You make a sign prenup with kids. You want kids and you want me sign prenup, brody, that's too much. I am not the president. That's crazy. You got stuck if you sign this prenup. Don't sign no blood clot prenup. You ever tell you got stuck. And he can financially abuse you in the relationship too. That's what he's telling you. Him gonna spoil your fine dining, you do everything when you engage. You see, as soon as your blood clot married, you're not getting nothing. You need to be a nice wife because you got everything when you were a fiancé. I guarantee this. I guarantee you. And you might say, this bitch is miserable, sweetie. Me done the blood clot. How do you feel? You're criticizing a girl for her body count or how she dressed, or you criticize her for blah, blah, what the fuck, blah. Sweetie, but I said this already on my channel so much, I'll say it again. Me done the race from me at 24. Me can't retire. Me clit, me can't retire. Me get my ring when me a blood clot 24. You are a 10 out of 10? You have a body count of 1. Where is your ring? Hello? You's a 10 out of 10? Nice skin, long hair, don't care, nice job, college degree, your body count is 0.5. You are how old? 29? Where your blood clot ring them, ma'am? Can me get mine when me at 24? Me done the blood clot race. You cannot hype on me. You cannot say that I am the bottom of the barrel pick. I have done the race already. I don't compete. I spectate now. You're going to be stuck. I'm telling you. I'm not ask you. Let's go around one more time. We have the Five of Pentacles again. You got stuck. He's going to leave you stuck. Bro, he might ask you for sign a prenup before you're married. You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious, girl? 55, the Five of Pentacles 2 times. You'll get locked out like a fucking dog. Anytime you put in that fucking dog house, you better stay. You better sit. The Star card is clarified by the Ace of Wands. Okay, so what if there's times in a relationship where you're not giving pussy? Him gonna get pussy elsewhere. And you're gonna leave him because him cheat? Because if you leave him, you leave with nothing. No, you live with this man in a nice apartment, nice car, nice lifestyle, and you not really get what you want, but when you're in that car, go to a homeless shelter and start over for 5 years. To me, those are the bitches who you need to worry about. And the girl them who will sign prenup if you worry about. Cause you might say in your head when she divorced me, she'll get half of everything. How much money you gonna spend on her until they get divorced? You can buy her a house and buy her a car and buy her everything. Actually, you would not. You made her sign a prenup. What are the chances of your man buying you a car and putting it in your name? Your man make you sign a prenup. What are the chances of him buying you a new car and put the car in your name? You sign a prenup before the marriage. That's how your value don't increase. Your value is supposed to increase after marriage, not decrease. The Five of Pentacles is the Page of Wands, and the Eight of Swords is clarified by the Eight of Swords. We have 88. We have 55, 88. I tell you this already, I'm going to tell you again. As a matter of fact, this might be somebody's second marriage. Did they ask the first how to... And let me tell you something. You can be in an argument with this man. It's either the man don't trust you, that's why I'm going to ask you to sign a prenup. Right? It's one or two reasons. This is not a neuroscience. You don't take a neurologist. You don't take a neurologist to figure this fuck out, right? It's either the man don't trust you, or when you and him break up, he's going to marry one other girl, and he's going to make she put on the ring without a prenup. You waiting the girl for him. That's why I'm making sign a prenup. I don't understand why a man would have gone up on one knee and proposed to a girl with a fucking wedding ring and then tell her to sign a document. For say she's not going to take nothing. So now me marry you and then you left me and me not get nothing. And then you move on with the other girl and she get everything and then me just... Come. What we doing? These. No, this. Let's see what demon you're under. This must be a blood clot demon. Let's see what... Oh, no? I'm sorry. That was the angel deck. Let's see what demon you're under. That's crazy to me. But you do you, sweetie. You do you. We have Raphael, okay? Healing, guidance, and travel. Okay, Raphael is the angel. And we also have Gabriel, angel of revelation, delivering divine messages to prophets. Let's see what demon you're under. You're going to get a shut up ring. No, that's even worse than a shut up ring. Because, bitch, you signing a prenup. We have Lucifer. Pride and rebellion. Yeah, your man too prideful. Him want, after I marry you, him can boast to him boys that, you know, I married that bitch and she signed a prenup. Him too prideful. You deal with Lucifer. We also have rebellion. He wants you to be a traditional wife. No blood clot traditional wife assigned prenup. And you ask him, you have a mother though? You don't want a blood clot man tell your mother for sign prenup? Or do you not think that your mother worth every blood clot penny of what the man is fucking out of her? Ask him that. And I bet you if your mother decide a prenup, that bitch miserable as fuck. Ask you. Say, babe, let me ask you a question. Don't your mother want clean body, girl? Don't your mother pussy tight? Don't your mother will make a man mad over her? How would you feel if a man to tell your mother to sign prenup before you marry her? Would you make your mother sign? Would you advise your mother as a son if a man want to marry her, she to sign prenup for him? Don't you think your mother was worth it? Even though she have her ways? prenup to fuck. One more. We have Baphomet. Baphomet is actually half human, half animal, and it talks about duality. You're under Lucifer and Baphomet. That sounds like a wedding ring. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Capricorn. Bye.